People say that in order for you to succeed in life, you must have thick skin. But what if you go one step further and you end up having many skins? Will that make you invincible? Hey guys, this is Z and I skinned all my daily tech using the all-famous dbrand solutions, and in this video I'll share with you my thoughts about their products, application and removal. I have to point out that this is not a sponsored video by dbrand, nor that I see myself as a good skin application guy. I'm just saying this because I don't want to be attacked by robots. So relax, this is going to be easy. So first off, why would you want to skin your devices? Well, that's simple. At one point, we all get bored with the tech that we use and carry every day with us. And sometimes, rather than buying something new, one can easily refresh the good old with the new skin like I did in my case. Now, this is not the first time I use dbrand skins, but it is the first time I decided to go for all my daily tech and in white. Unlike all other colors, white is more difficult to apply while making it look seamless, especially if you have many curves that you have to deal with. What I did as far as application is in no way perfect, but I like it. A peace of mind is in fact that in some cases dbrand also gives you a second chance, especially when we talk about more complicated curved applications. For example, the OnePlus 5T and the iPhone X skins arrived in pairs so that I can either try again or maybe replace an old skin if the current one gets damaged for some reason in the future. Another reason to go for a skin is for protection. It is in no way safer than a decent phone case, but if I have to position it, I would place the skin somewhere in between bulky protective case that looks dull but saves your device, and no case which makes your phone looks awesome like the manufacturer intended but gives you absolutely no protection. What I mean by that is that skins give you some sort of protection, especially on the back panels of the devices, but as with some cases it won't save your display if your phone falls flat on the concrete. I used to have an iPhone 7 Plus with a red dbrand skin that fell 3 feet higher on tiles, and thanks to the skin on the back and the way actually it fell, I had zero damage. The corners were actually preserved thanks to the skin itself. For the occasional scuffs and scratches, skins are also an elegant way of preservation. So why dbrand? Aside from decent pricing, dbrand offers extremely interesting and a very cultural experience. They're actually a Canadian company that was established in 2011, if I'm not mistaken, and it is considered to be the boss when it comes to vinyl skins. Truth is that there are other companies that sell vinyl skins as well, but not the way dbrand does it. First off, dbrand has the best shopping presentation that provides you with the great option of selecting and customizing your skin choices. They also have skins for the most popular tech out there, and they ship to pretty much any country. Top that with great customer support and probably the most extensive video application tutorials library out there, and choosing dbrand turns out to be no-brainer. Also, the precision of the cuts is out of this world. So how difficult is it to apply? From my humble experience, application success relies solely on one thing: patience. You have to watch their tutorials and take your time when applying the skins. If it's a skin that doesn't go around or bend on corners, application is an absolute breeze and it takes just a few minutes. Otherwise, the perfect application requires steady hands and nerves of steel. Good thing is the fact that you can always go back and redo your actions as long as the skin is not damaged or stretched. I actually enjoy the process of applying the skins. It gives me some sense of achievement, and it reminds me how good it is to be productive with your hands, not just the keyboard and the mouse. Removing the skins leaves absolutely no adhesive or residue whatsoever. There were cases like with the recent Nintendo Switch release where dbrand stopped developing the product because of some permanent surface damage after the application. With that being said,
relax.
You can always peel back the skin and start fresh. For larger surfaces like a laptop or tablet, removing the skin requires time and some force. If it gets too complicated, you can resort to a hair dryer to soften the skin and then pull it out. So there it is, guys. I hope this was useful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and maybe check out my other tech related stuff. As always, it's been a pleasure. This is E, over and out.